Did you know that this tiny red berry could be your best friend when it comes to supporting your immune system and fighting off infections? But cranberries aren't just for Thanksgiving sauces or sweet jams. They're packed with health benefits that have been known and treasured for centuries. And today, we're going to dive into why you should consider adding cranberries to your daily routine. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cranberry? The cranberry, Vaccinium macrocarpon, is a small tart fruit that grows on low-lying shrubs. While it's native to North America, it's now cultivated all over the world, from Canada to Europe and even parts of Asia. These berries are typically harvested in the fall, but they pack a punch in terms of both taste and health. Now, you might be wondering, what's the big deal with cranberries? Well, here's where it gets interesting. In the world of herbal medicine and nutrition, cranberries have been revered for centuries. Native Americans were some of the first to recognize the power of these berries, using them to treat urinary tract infections, soothe inflammation, and even make dyes. But it wasn't until the early 1900s that modern science started to catch up with what indigenous peoples already knew. Cranberries are more than just a tart snack. They are a powerhouse of health benefits. So, what's inside that little berry? Well, cranberries are loaded with antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins, which are believed to help prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to your cells, making them particularly effective for urinary tract health. These berries are also a rich source of vitamin C, fiber, and essential minerals like manganese and copper. But the real kicker, they have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that have been linked to better digestion, skin health, and even heart protection. When it comes to health benefits, cranberries truly shine. Let's look at some of the most well-known reasons to incorporate them into your diet. First, urinary tract health. Cranberries are famous for helping to prevent and even treat urinary tract infections. The proanthocyanidins in cranberries prevent the bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, making it easier for your body to flush out those unwanted invaders. Second, heart health studies have shown that cranberry consumption can help lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. The antioxidants in cranberries promote healthy blood vessels and support circulation. Third, digestive health. As a good source of fiber, cranberries aid in digestion, helping to regulate bowel movements and reduce bloating. Their antibacterial properties also help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria, improving overall gut health. Fourth, skincare. Want glowing skin? Cranberries' antioxidants and vitamin C can help reduce the signs of aging, fight off free radicals, and promote collagen production. Some people even use cranberry juice as a facial toner for clearer, brighter skin, and it doesn't stop there. Recent research even suggests that cranberries could play a role in cancer prevention due to their ability to slow down the growth of cancerous cells. Now, cranberries aren't just good for eating, they can be used medicinally in a variety of ways. One of the most popular uses today is cranberry supplements, often taken to prevent urinary tract infections. But cranberries can also be used in topical treatments for wounds and skin conditions. However, one of the easiest and most effective ways to incorporate cranberries into your wellness routine is through a simple and soothing cranberry tea. Making cranberry tea is incredibly simple. You can use either fresh or dried cranberries, but dried cranberries work best for this type of infusion. Here's how you can prepare it. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 tablespoon of dried cranberries, or fresh if you have them available, and 1 cup of hot water. Optionally, you can add a teaspoon of honey or a slice of lemon for added flavor. Place the cranberries in a tea infuser or directly into your teacup. Pour the hot water over the berries and let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the natural juices and beneficial compounds to infuse the water. Strain the tea if you used loose cranberries, and then enjoy your refreshing, tangy beverage. You can even add a bit of ginger or cinnamon to spice it up if you like a little kick. This cranberry tea can be consumed regularly to support your urinary health, boost your immune system, and give you a healthy dose of antioxidants. Cranberries may be small, but they pack a punch in terms of their health benefits. From preventing UTIs to improving heart health and even protecting your skin, Cranberries are truly a hidden gem in the world of natural medicine. And the best part? It's so easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. Whether you're sipping on cranberry tea or tossing them into a smoothie, these tiny berries are an excellent way to stay healthy year-round. So, next time you pass by that cranberry aisle, think twice. This little berry is not just a Thanksgiving treat, it's your all-season health ally.